Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve messenger unstable connection try moving around to improve call quality problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Google Play Store, click on search bar, search messenger, update messenger app if available Play Store or App Store, swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode and check internet connection on your phone. Tap on hold messenger and click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop, tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Go to messenger. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.